I feel very happy this year. It wasn't like when we stepped into 2024. Neither was it on a very sad note when we were stepping into 2025 that just ended. We're stepping into 2026 with strength. We're stepping into 2026 with hope. We have stepped into 2026 with a very strong assurance that those who put their trust in the Lord will never, never be put to shame. We do not have equipment of war. The only thing we have is our knees. But we'll continue to pray to God, and God will never let us down. So I want to assure everyone here and the wonderful and very supportive people of River State that 2026, don't be troubled by the sound of war that you're hearing. So I want to thank you for standing with us. You know our mission. You know the promises we made for the people who supported us, the man who stood by us, the one who made it possible for us to still stand there to say 2026, here we come. We will continue to give that support, not by noise, not by threat, but by assuring the good people of River State that in a peaceful and understanding manner, that Tinubu would have his way in River State.